Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, August 8th. It's 4:20 p.m. The regular session just closed about 20 minutes ago, and the settlement trades close at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so that was about 5 minutes ago. And you can see the last trades here on my time and sales. And so we have a video for you today. First, I wanted to share a couple of things, just some little known information about Blue Wave and a couple of other things. Okay, there's a wealth of information about on our website, and in the About section there's a couple of things about us, about Blue Wave Trading and why, and this is kind of our story. And interestingly, there's some competitors whose story just sounds really crazy similar to mine. But in any case, back in 2004, 2005, we had a system called the Zones, and this system ranked 3 of the top 10 systems, S&P day trading systems, back in 2005. So the original BWT trend indicator began around this time. The Zone system was based on support and resistance, and this was traded with real money in real time in my own account, and it did pretty well for several years. Anyway, it was audited and verified by Futures Truth magazine, and here's the annual return after commissions, slippage, and the cost of the system. Now, also back here is another spreadsheet showing our performance. Many people ask me about trading on currencies. Well, this spreadsheet here shows several different markets. This is actually a video here, so I guess I explain what these spreadsheets are is the BWT trend indicator and the output of the signal. And notice the dates here. This is from early 2006, so this is showing that the trend indicator originated at least prior to February 2006. Like I said, late 2005 is when I invented it. And this was long before a lot of copycat indicators. Before this kind of appeared in the public domain, the average true range type of indicators, red bar, blue bar, we were, one of the original creators or proponents, or at least first to deliver it in the graphical style that we. My Zone system was also traded at Attain Capital Management in 2004, and here it ranked the top performing system of all the systems they followed, and there were hundreds of them. And here it is at the top of the list. And at the time there were several articles written about me, and there was a lot of stuff going on. I got a lot of publicity because of this. The point of showing you all this is that we have real credentials. We don't lie on our website. We were one of the first vendors in Ninjatrader, and here is the original press release. You can find it here under Why Blue Wave Trading. There's a link here. And so this is the original press release. We became a Ninjatrader vendor in July of 2007. There's some other people making this claim, but at the time there was only about 10 other vendors, and I pretty much know most of who they are. And there's some vendors making this claim that we're really not a vendor going back to 2007. So again, the point is we don't lie or make sensational claims on our website. Prior to getting into trading in 1997, the first year of the Emini S&P, I was a financial planner and money manager, and I was in the financial services business for nearly 20 years. So my credentials go way back, not new to developing trading systems. The reason the Blue Wave system is what it is because of a lot of real practical experience. A lot of vendors have actually dropped out of the trading system space because nobody can get this right, a real limit order with a close, enter at the close of the bar minus an offset. Most competing trading, automated trading systems enter on a market order, and that's it. One more thing, back in 2009, there was an article written about us in the German trading magazine called Trading, I believe, and they wrote an article about our automated system in our indicators in Ninjatrader, and here's some early screenshots. This is from 2009, and they gave us a pretty solid review in this magazine article. Now, they recently contacted me again, and they want to do another article featuring the Autotrader, so we're going to go ahead and do that, and so I expect that to show in a couple of months. Okay, today's video, first up is the mid cap, and this hit its goal in a single trade, the goal here being 1500, and this did 1550, so we had positive slippage here. And if you look at the indicator signals here, about as perfect as it can be. Okay, next is the DAX on a 377 Heikin-Ashi chart. This is moderately active today. It ended up doing 1550. The goal on this is 1550, so it hit its goal without slippage. I actually started the DAX a little late, so had I started it on time at 3 a.m., it might have caught this short trade. It probably would have. And you would have seen this familiar back-to-back pattern, a short and a long, and it might have hit its goal just in 2 trades. But I started it late. In spite of that, this one still hit its goal. Now the DAX on the Super Renko 14 tick got stopped out at its loss limit of 1500, and like I said, had I started it on time, it would have got filled on this trade. Not sure on this trade, but it might have had a lot better results had it caught these couple of trades here. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a Super Renko 7 tick, and this had about half a dozen trades and did 1320 for the day. Our goal on this chart is 1200, so it had really solid positive slippage at the end here. Okay, next is the crude oil on a regular 987 tick chart using our line break logic, and this did 1290 for the day. The goal on this is 1300, and here are the trades here. Here's the line break signals. Okay, the DAX on a 150 tick line break chart unfortunately missed these couple of moves here, but in spite of that, it did well on looks like about 3 or 4 trades here. It did 1337, and our goal on this is 1500, so it either hit its goal and had some slippage, or it got stopped out just shy of its goal. Okay, next is the crude on a 150 Heikin-Ashi tick chart, and this did 990 for the day, mostly winning trades. As you can see, the equity curve here, with the exception of off the open, we drew down about 200 per contract and then came back strong to overcome that. The goal on this is 1000, so we had 1 tick of slippage. Okay, crude oil again on a Super Renko 8 tick with our line break logic did 970, and it hit its goal of 1000 with 3 ticks of slippage. Okay, I started running the NASDAQ on just a straight 5-minute chart, and so first time out, 575 on 2 contracts, not too bad. Okay, a couple of small trades on natural gas, but still good for $160 on 2 trades. And the Russell on a 233 Heikin-Ashi chart had a loser and a winner and finished positive 125, but nice looking signals on the indicators here. And then our Emini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick trading 3 contracts did 312.50 for the day. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.